Tomi, nice to be back.
Yeah, lovely to be back. Yeah, nice to be back in sunny Wales. A nice stint in Jersey, but no, really good to be back in home soil.
Just talk us through your last year or so. What's it been like?
Well, obviously a real good season in Jersey in terms of winning the league and stuff. So really enjoyed that aspect and just playing lots of rugby. So that was good. And then signing back to my home club in Scarlets, which obviously I've been at since I was 16. So yeah, nice to be home and playing a bit of rugby now. So it's good.
What was it like at Jersey? Because obviously there was that shock. How did everyone take it? What was the sort of situation?
Well, I came out of Jersey just before obviously they went into administration. So I sort of signed back to Scarlets before that's all happened. So I missed it all. But listen, it's a massive loss for the club and for the island. You know, all the island are behind the rugby club. It's the only professional team on the island. And I think it's just a massive loss, really, to just rugby in general and all the boys that have obviously lost their jobs and are still looking for rugby careers.
Yourself, now you're here. What are you looking for the rest of the season?
Just pull a string of games together. I think more importantly, you know, obviously been a bit frustrating at the start of the season. Probably haven't had as much game time as I would have liked. But yeah, just getting game time together and hopefully performing as well as I can, really.
And what's it like being here, you know, in terms of you've had a few weeks off, but you're back into the second half of the season now, starting with Munster on Friday? Yeah, we know. Obviously, coming on the back of we played Exeter Chiefs on the weekend. That was a good friendly game. You know, tough one. Obviously, tough loss to take, but I think we just got to bounce back this week. We know what Munster are going to bring, and that's a physical edge, and we've got to front up and put things right this week. I suppose now it's trying to get the ball to you and show what you can do, isn't it? Because that's your strength.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think I've worked a lot on that with the likes of Johnny McNichol, just trying to get the ball get on the ball as much as possible, and I think that's one of my main strengths. So hopefully you'll see about that Friday. What's
it like the Scarlets now? Because there's a lot of young players coming through at the same time.
Yeah, no, definitely. You know, we're all competing for the same jersey. You know, there's a lot of competition. Me, Rai, Steph, and Johnny, and I think that's a good thing. You know, we're all working together. We're all trying to make each other better, and I think that's the positive about being on the wing.
Yeah, Munster, good side. What are you expecting from them and also their back three?
All the Irish teams are doing well at the moment, especially Munster. Obviously, I think they won the URC last year, didn't they? So they're definitely going to bring that physical edge. Back three are going to be decently quick. So yeah, just trying to get up and stopping them is the main thing.
And in terms of getting that home win, how much of a boost would that be to start the second half of the season?
I think, definitely it's so important to get the win at home. Hopefully, you can set us up for the rest of the season. And yeah, listen, we've got to go out there Friday and we've got to put a lot of things right. So fingers crossed.